Oh, you want to take a video of me falling? Looks like this is a paradise. Oh, look at that. At the edge of best nature out here. Oh, look at these birds. This nature is uncapturable. No, not that, but it's a real experience of what we are going through. All it matters is the fun going along. I'm going to fly this drone to capture this beautiful nature.
Oh, shit.
I lost my drone in the water, so there is no way I think we can get to the other side. I found it. Is there.
Okay.
Just for the sake of the drone, I don't want to lose you. See a dirty drone here. It is so dramatic, right? Beautiful world through my eyes. You see what I see. Hello, good morning. It's almost 6 o'clock on Saturday morning. I am going with Joshua, my friend, to a walking trail to explore the nature, and it's 50 degrees outside, and it's going to be sunny, and we are going before sunrise. We are going to explore a trail which runs along the water stream, and we are planning this for a long time, and finally we are able to go today, and it should be a beautiful day. It's a little foggy, but let's see what we can find. I'm going to meet Joshua near the parking lot near this trail. Looks like Joshua is not here yet, and I'm still waiting for Joshua to come in. It's just before the sunrise. There you go. I think Joshua is here. I thought of calling you because it's a sharp turn. All right, Joshua is finally here, so we are going on this adventure. It just rained a couple of days ago, so the stream is overflowing. Are you scared about snakes?
No, I am not.
So we might find some snakes on the way, I'm not sure. So let's see. When I came a couple of weeks ago, the stream was not this high. It just rained 2 days ago. I think this one goes all the way to Fountainhead Park for 15.8 miles. Maybe we'll go a couple of miles and come back. It's slippery, be careful. I hope we don't run into a snake, and also there might be water stream which will block our way, I'm not sure. No, when I came a couple of weeks ago, I found that this trail is like very precious. Looks like not many people come here. This is like a nature untouched by many. I want to be in those places where not many people are touched. I ordered rain shoes day before yesterday, but they didn't arrive yet. So I want to go with those rain shoes so that I can walk in little water puddles and protect from snakes. At least you are with me, right? So I'm not scared.
Well, yeah,
You can call 911, right?
Yep.
Actually, there is some markings on this trail. I think if you tell those numbers on the trail, then they'll find where we are. Is that snow? It looks like a foam. Because it's foggy, still it's very beautiful. But we may not see the sun for a while, right?
Yep.
What is that? Look, it's going to come here. There is a beaver or something going in the water. Did you have coffee this morning?
Yep, I did.
Oh, you already have coffee. I brought coffee for us.
Oh.
I brought a coffee and 2 cups, so we'll go a little further and have coffee.
Awesome.
We might see some goose flying. I know that this is not a paved trail, so it will be wet and little danger. So you can touch a snake?
No.
No? I thought you were going to take it and throw it away. There is two ways we can go, this way or this way. If we want to walk along the water stream, we have to go this way. Otherwise, we have to go this way. Let's go this way. We'll go there and we'll come back if you want.
Shekhar, make sure we come back. Don't get lost.
We have GPS, right? So we'll come back. At least we'll be back in a day, if not today. I hope there is a way here. This is exploring, right? So we have to keep going and find if there is a way. If not, we'll go back and find another route. There is a water puddle here. It's not that cold, right? It's around 50 degrees?
Yep.
I came in winter here and there is no leaves at all. There is no greenery at all. It was all like dead place. Now the spring is just started and it should be very beautiful. I thought of telling you to bring your old shoe, but I forgot because it's all muddy. And is that your new shoe? So you may need to wash your shoes after this trip. Expect some wetness also in your shoes.
Yeah, it's already, I started feeling.
Really?
These are like,
Oh, very light shoe.
yeah.
Is it a dead end? This is a way here. It looks like a small waterfall.
It's going into the stream.
So do you like this kind of hiking? Be careful. Do you like this kind of hiking?
Yep.
I hope this is not a dead end, right?
No, it's not.
Are you okay? Be careful. You want to go back? Oh, be careful. So you have to make a bridge for me here. So you regret that you came here?
No. I regret that I wore this kind of shoe.
So looks like your shoe is already wet, right?
Yeah.
I know, that's what I told you. Oh, so this will be your first and last one, Joshua.
So,
Sorry for not telling you to bring a right shoe for this. So what did you expect? When I asked you to come for a trail, you thought it's going to be a paved road?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to come with sandals. That's why I asked you to come with the shoes and a jacket. You take a stick otherwise in the hand along the way so that you don't fall. I'm going to hold this stick while I walk. Because I shot a video of Joshua falling and he wants to take a video of me falling. So let's see. That's why, Joshua, I asked you to go in the front. So that I can come carefully wherever you're falling. You always step on that grass so that it doesn't skid. Don't walk on the mud. Maybe I'll fall before As I telling you, I may fall down. Looks like you got a better stick.
Yeah.
I need to find one dry one. Let's see if I can take this. This one looks like a perfect stick.
Two legs to start.
You started with 2 legs and now we have 3 legs. Actually, I have more experience than you in walking this kind of trails because I go a lot. Look at that, somebody made a home here. Maybe this is a place for coffee.
Right. There's a fireplace.
Oh, I don't know if you're allowed to make fire, but it looks like somebody made it here. So somebody made a nice home here.
Perfect.
All right, let's move further. Let's go. We'll check the water stream.
Stick is really helpful.
Usually it's helpful when you get old, but looks like today it's really helpful. What did you find? There's a ball. Is that a golf ball?
No.
No, looks like it's a pool table, right? Or golf. There's a number on it, so it's a pool table ball, I think. Okay, this is not a good destination for coffee. Let's move a little further. Yeah. Looks like I'm not going to give you coffee until you find a good place. I know. I know. Let's see if there is a way this way. Looks like there is a way. So we did not find any snakes yet.
Not yet.
I don't know if you can see them or just feel their bite. Looks like this is a paradise. Look at these flowers, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. All right. Okay.
You think this is the place?
I think I will let you have coffee here. Here is a coffee. You can put it, I'll give you 2 cups.
Thank you.
You can open that and put it. I hope you don't spill it. Let me help you otherwise. Yeah, I brought only 2 because I know only we 2 coming. Because I know this location, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I thought of calling yesterday. Joshua is enjoying coffee at the edge of best nature out here. Yeah, today is foggy and it looks so beautiful. Apart from these aeroplane sounds, there is no other sounds. I think we can't escape these sounds. We are away from all the roads and people, so it should be very quiet and beautiful here other than these aeroplane sounds. There is an airport nearby. We are planning this for like more than a month to come together, right? 3-4 weeks at least?
Yeah.
We thought of going 4 weeks ago and today made it together. Next time I want to make a paper boat and leave it there and watch it go.
Yeah.
I'm like a small kid. I brought my drone also, but I need to find a good location to fly. This is good view. Oh, look at these birds.
Wow, landed.
They are forced down along the stream by water. All right, let's go. We had a nice coffee. Oh, my stick. There. That's it. I think I need a third leg, otherwise I'll fall down. See, there is a hole here. I think these might be snakes. Don't bring snakes out. We want to be in peace with nature. Wow, look here. I will lead you, Joshua. I hope I don't fall down. Be careful, it's slippery here. Joshua, you're still waiting for me to fall down, right? Yeah.
I really want to capture it.
I know, you can take your time. There is a good view here. Let's go here. Ah, look at that. I'm sliding here. Ooh, it's muddy. But we found a better place here. This nature is uncapturable. So good. You can't really show it in videos and pictures. How beautiful this is. So we'll go a little further. Then before like 45 minutes left, we'll just walk back all the way without stopping. I have to leave by 8:45. Maybe 1 mile we came across. All right, let's see if Joshua's dream will come true. If I fall, he's still waiting for me to fall down. Joshua, can I put your videos of falling down?
Yeah, sure. You have to make it funny, right? You have to make people laugh.
No, not that, but it's a real experience of what we are going through. And even if I fall down, I'm going to put it.
Yeah, no problem. You can. Slow motion. Make it as a slow motion fall.
Slow motion falling down. Oh my God. Actually, when coming back, I think there is easy way. There is a route somewhere, maybe up there. I'm not sure. Because this is not a real trail.
Yeah.
We just deviated. But this stick really is helping.
Yeah.
Without this, we will definitely had a multiple falls. What do you think they are? A deer or a duck?
Yeah, it does probably because
Looks like a duck. Shoes are really muddy. Are you okay, Joshua?
Yep.
You're still on for the next one? Be careful. I think we definitely going to fall down here. I think we should get up there. Probably. We'll go this way. These ducks are following us.
Pair of ducks.
right, I made it. This is adventure, right? What fun is it if you just go on a paved road, right?
I made it.
You are getting a view from top. Be careful. Joshua want to quit this place and go in different route. So he's going up there to check if there is another route. What is up there? All trees. You want me to come up or you want to come down? Oh, there's a walking trail. So you want me to come up?
If you can.
Yeah, okay. So there is a walking trail up there. I need to walk all the way up. Let's see if I can make it.
I should have captured it shorter ago.
Joshua missed me falling down. Oh my God. Alright, not bad. Joshua don't want to go in the same route, so he want me to climb all the way up. So we are going back in a different route.
Let's see, hopefully we will reach the destination.
Yeah, I hope we'll make it. All it matters is the fun, going along and exploring these new places.
That was really nice.
I think we should come back maybe when it's dry here, and we should follow this walking trail to go way further. Because this is just the beginning of the spring, it looks so pretty here. It took so long because we went from down there. It doesn't take that much time if we go from here. There is a way here. I'm going to fly this drone to capture this beautiful nature. All right, I got some good shots. You got a better stick? Joshua, will you come again for this kind of trails? Or you have to think about it?
No, I will be coming.
Oh my god. It's all muddy and shoes wet. And we fall down a couple of times.
Me. I fell down.
Even I fall down once, but nobody captured it. Because I fall down, I did not capture myself. So do you want to live at this place?
Not really, bro. He said once in a while is okay.
Once in a while is okay.
అది వాటర్ ప్రూఫా? తెచ్చే. Oh shit.
I lost my drone in the water. I lost my drone. I don't think I can get it. It's on the other side of this flow, so there is no way I think we can get to the other side. And even if I get to the other side, I don't think it will be there. Lost my drone, so I'm going on the other side of the water stream to see if I can get it. I don't think I can get it. Let's see. We came to the other side of the river to see if we can get it. Let's see. Is there a way? I think this is where it fall down. Let's see if we can find some marks. Oh, it's here! I found it. It's there.
Okay, I will go and get it.
Oh my god.
I will go and get it. Hold
But
this.
let's see how to get it.
I got it.
So
I got it.
there is a branch there. Be careful, Joshua. I don't want you to take risk for the drone, okay? Slowly. Oh, that will break. Sit first on it and hold something on this side. That will fall down. Oh, be careful. Oh my god. At least I think I got my footage back, you know. If a drone doesn't work. Okay, can you throw it here? Throw all the way up here.
I don't know. We can make it work.
No, I don't think so. But throw it here. No, I have to dry it, and it will take a couple of days before I start. But I don't think it will work. But you can throw here.
It will work.
Sure? Huh? No, it doesn't. Nothing will happen. Hold on. Let me take it then. Otherwise, Joshua, hold on. No hurry. Hold on. Oh my God! We retrieved our drone. Thank you, Joshua, for getting it. For keeping your life in risk. Be careful. Just for the sake of the drone, I don't want to lose you. Oh my God. Hold this branch. No, don't step on that. Use the other one. Yeah. I think this will be our last walking trail together, right?
పోయిందని మానేసుకుంటావా?
Oh my God. See a dirty drone here. I lost control and I lost it. So I'm able to get it. I don't know if it will work. So thank you, Joshua.
సారీ శేఖర్ బ్రో.
At least I got my footage here. It is so dramatic, right? I didn't think we can get this back. How is the overall trip, Joshua? It's okay. Not so good, huh?
It's so good until we lost this drone.
So hopefully we can go for something else, maybe far away from water streams, right? And muddy roads. Let's see where our next adventure will take us.
Sure.
Thank you so much for bringing this. All right, the trip is over. It's very adventurous. I lost my drone and in the water and I recovered it. I don't know if it's still going to work, so I will leave it off for a while and I will try to turn it on again and see if it will work. At least I'm glad that I got my footage back of this trip. So beautiful world through my eyes. You see what I see. See you next time. Bye bye.